We're at the other side of the world, out here in Hawaii, the big island, and we're gonna convert this kitchen. We're gonna take it from concept to complete, and we're gonna make this look like Mother Nature came in here and created countertops. This is on a budget, design on a dime, and save thousands of dollars on your next countertop project. This is Stone Coat Epoxy, and this is how you remodel.
You got this!
Hey, how are you, man? Yeah, good, bro. Good to see you, man. Yeah.
Let's go right up next to the house.
Look at that. That's cool, man.
He's coming along.
That's sick. We are off the grid with Todd out here. Where are we, brother?
Mountain View, Hawaii.
Mountain View, Hawaii. Holy cow. What a cool adventure coming out here. And you've built this place from the ground up.
Yes.
You've got some experience. You've been in the trades basically for what? How long?
Most of my life in construction.
So Todd knows his way around a toolbox, and you built these cabinets with a skill saw, a router. You built the MDF tops.
Yes.
And then you got 2 coats of paint and primer on these.
Correct.
So he sanded the paint and primer, and now we came in and you've got these prepped, and we just put our tape dam up because we're gonna do an exotic pour. That means we're gonna add our additives, we're gonna get the colors right, we're gonna do an earth tone. You did an acid stain on your concrete?
Yes.
So we're gonna do something that kind of complements that, appeases the masses, and this is gonna be a getaway for some lucky person, right?
Correct.
All right, man. Guys, have you seen what Todd can create? He carves canoes. Check out these pictures. We're gonna finish prepping and get right to it. Here we go. Whoa! Whoa, dude!
I wanted this to look rustic and used and beat up, kind of scratched.
Wow, bro. All right, what we're gonna do first is mix the epoxy. You've seen our videos on mixing.
1,000 of them.
You've seen too many of them.
Yeah.
So we met through our insiders group there on Facebook. Have you seen the Stone Coat Countertop Insiders? That's where pros and DIYers will get together and talk epoxy, and that's where we met.
Yes.
And then we actually, Todd's a home inspector out here in Hawaii. He saw some of my stuff. We kind of been having some fun, and now we're doing his project. So first, we're gonna mix. It's a 1-to-1 ratio. And then we're gonna pour the different color additives that we choose back into a large bucket and pour that out on the surface. We'll let it set up, and then we'll pull our tape dam. But what that does is it allows the colors to really flow and mimic Mother Nature. We got a volcano not too far from here, and that volcano goes nice and slow and creates these really cool effects. And we're gonna do something like that, but it just won't be lava, it'll be metallic powder.
There you go.
All right, guys, let's do it. All right, we're gonna mix for about 2 minutes using a drill, and then we're gonna pour this out after we've added our color additive. When you add your color additive, do that segregated into different containers and receptacles, and we'll use tongue depressors or paint sticks to mix that together. That will ensure that everything's mixed properly. You don't want to have sticky spots, and the #1 culprit is undermixed epoxy. That's why we use a drill. This is formulated to avoid the bubble problem because the bubbles release so easy using our propane torch, and you have enough open working time to allow that to happen. It doesn't set off really fast. causing a sticky mess. This graduates and it gets cured over a long period of time, but you can still use your kitchen very quickly. That's the pro tips. That's how you mix, and that's how you make your countertops turn into natural stone in a day.
Nice.
Okay, so now with this leftover in here, I'll take just one of your spray paint colors. This is Kona Brown.
Yeah.
Hey man, that's a good name.
Right?
That's a Hawaiian right there. Kona Brown, baby.
Kind of tan you all.
Just put a little bit in there. Give it some color below. We'll add some gold in this one. So Todd, I'm gonna do this bucket and then you're gonna do the next bucket, okay? So I just put a little bit of color and then I like to contrast
Copy
it.
yours.
You're gonna watch and then you're gonna do your own. And it doesn't matter what
Doesn't
order
matter
you go
what
in.
order. Okay.
Yeah, so that's kind of what I'm gonna portray to the audience is you don't have to be perfect with it. You just want to put in contrasting colors, and I like to layer spray paint over my color a little bit. And so since I did white, maybe I'll do that color, and then I'll do maybe a little bit of black, and then I'll go
Silver.
give me the white spray paint. I'm going to do majority white spray paint, but I'm not doing a lot of spray paint. Grab some gold.
We've got a lot of color.
Yes. Yeah, but they're all in a good earth tone family. They'll go good with your floors.
Yeah.
All right, so you get the point. You start doing that bucket.
All right.
Just make sure you add spray paint. The spray paint is what will create rock-like mimics because it fights the metallic and the epoxy. Todd's having fun already. I could feel it in the air, man.
No rhyme, no reason.
Doing good, Todd.
You're not as bad as Mitch thought you'd be, Todd.
Replacing bets on the way.
You know who did a lot better than I thought was the folks out in Florida, dude.
Right.
They did really good.
Do good.
We did these countertops on a yacht while it was moving, and they had a pet monkey on it.
Are you kidding?
No, that was pretty exciting.
Yeah, that was cool. That was a fun day.
We went snorkeling while it dried. They do tours to the Bahamas, and then they have a YouTube channel on how to repair your yacht DIY style. Like,
Nice.
it's a pretty cool little YouTube channel. We did a collaborative video with Boys to Men. We made a river table with Boys to Men for their dressing room. That was cool. Look at how that's already looking, man.
Oh, just look at it moving, how it's moving.
Isn't that wild?
That's a big bucket.
I'm actually gonna start pushing some of this, get this kind of sealed.
Some of these little
You want to, yeah, grab that, just kind of pour it out, and just run like a coat on this.
on the whole bottom.
Yeah, or else it'll stop any dry spots, you know.
Yeah. Do we need to mix them together or not?
Just rub it around with your hands. Go back to like elementary school,
All right.
finger painting.
Finger painting.
There we go, good call. Use a paint stick as a trowel. John, come check this out, man. Tell me that doesn't look like exotic stone.
Oh, it does.
Isn't that sick?
Totally. Phenomenal.
I love this color, man. So I'm just heating it up to promote it, like melding together, touching any spots that still have surface tension and stuff like that. And yeah, just getting it to look right. This is a sick countertop, Todd.
That looks awesome.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God.
Look at that, man.
That looks awesome.
That's money right there.
So did you spray it with anything? You didn't spray it with anything.
I don't think I'm going
What do you do
to.
those things? The little-
Just the fighting with the spray paint.
Okay. Oh, the paint.
Yeah, it's the accelerant in the spray paint.
Okay.
Acts weird with the metallics and creates these different natural reactions. Isn't that
That's
beautiful?
awesome.
Yeah. Okay. Take this and just start in the back, and then I'll get you the big bucket. But so look at your grain here. It's kind of like that. So I would just do your grain.
Okay.
You know.
Down across the back.
Yeah. All right, here you go. I'll trade you. You got it?
Yep.
And then save enough out of that to do your vanity. That's probably good for now. And then let's go pour the rest on the vanity after he gets that. No, they're trained. So we could do a sample board here too, but let's let all this flow. If you got a little more, bring it over here, Todd. Do a little bit right here, it's low, and then this is where I did it with my fingers, you know, so just try to fill in a little bit there.
I got a little bit left here.
We'll use it on your sample board. He's mixing up some. I think you're good. All I'm doing here, see how thick it is? I'm just grabbing it and promoting it to flow.
Okay.
It'll be fine. You got plenty on here. This is a sick piece, man.
That looks awesome.
I'm gonna pull tape, Luke, and we'll call it.
Okay.
So when you go to do these edges, the drips are gonna be hardened underneath it.
Right.
You can either use a multi-tool to get those off tomorrow, or come back in like 5, 6 hours, 4 hours from now, take like a paint stick or anything and just scrape them. But a multi-tool and a sander will do it, whatever. You can wait weeks at that point, whenever you're back here next. Looks cool, man. Do you like them?
I love them. Beautiful.
So what'd you learn today, Todd? What'd you take away from this project?
All the colors, how you mix them different layers and do like a dirty pour.
Yeah.
And absolutely beautiful. It comes out how it flows and how it changes, and it keeps changing.
Right, it's pretty neat, you know. What I like to do with my customers is we'll start like in a piece this big, we'll do it, and usually I'll tell them wait 5 minutes, and then they wait 5 minutes, come back, go, oh my gosh, I love it, because the more that it has time to move, the better it turns out, you know. So this is good temperature. We're about just about 70 degrees right now, and it's flowing good. We just pulled the tape. We had plenty of time to work with it, didn't we?
Yes, a lot of time to work with it. The whole kitchen. And a sample board and a vanity for the bathroom also. We still had plenty of time.
You learned the ultimate top coat. Was that easy?
That was easy.
You know, that's just roll it on and then roll it off. And you got a nice tight finish. It's got a double bowl vanity. What a cool place, man. Thanks for letting us come do this with you.
Thank you.
Man, that was awesome. Guys, visit us anytime at Stone Coat Countertops. And until next time, remember, you got this. Come on, you got to do it with me. You got this. We'll see you on the next video.
Aloha from Hawaii, the Big Island. Thank you, Mike, Mitch, and Lucas for coming clear out here to Hawaii to do my countertops and my getaway. I learned so much. I've watched 1,000 videos from Stone Coat Countertops. Again, thank you. It was awesome working with you guys. You guys taught me a lot. We had a lot of fun doing this kitchen and my bathrooms. Thank you again. Aloha, mahalo.
Stone Coat Countertops, you got this.
Bonus content.